People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today we have another fireside video. Who know? Fireside series. I tell you last time say entitlement kill more man than one another. Entitlement cause enough war. You know what else cause enough war? Delusion. Never talk about it. This won't be a long video because if I think them from entitlement video, just swap it out for delusion. Before I go into that, the Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Firstborn. Firstborn, I tell me say I'm celebrating birthday in the summer. Even when birthday today. Because which part him did the way it cool, you can't get for enjoyed them time of the year. Yeah. Cause feel my idea of enjoying himself is jerk pan out a door. Meet them on grill. People gather around. Fellowship. But which part in there so cool as none of that can go on? No wood fire can light. The jerk pan have to put on one side. But we still give my birthday a shout out because of today. I want more year on the sun for him. So Firstborn, big up yourself. But one thing I can't tell nobody celebrate the birthday them too early. If you know it's December, the cure the weather look bad, celebrate it December. But me understand me about the cold because even if the wood fire light and the grill put on, it's just not the same. When you wrap up in some jacket, wrap up in all 3 layer clothes and something, it's not the same as when you have one marine or one shorts. So you know it goes still. So Firstborn, big up yourself. Live long and prosper, see? But we talk about delusion now. Delusion make enough people a war Iron Man right now. Enough man in grave because of delusion. So but the most deluded people you can find, you know. Every Iron Man and things say, everybody a fight against them. To the point where them start fight against people first. Iron Man and tell us that the entire St. Catherine a conspire against him. As him wake up in the morning, he can't tell you how much people are plot and a fight against him. Much people hate him and tiny people don't even know him. People don't even see him. Until they say, watch out, from me go Sabuma and get the brand new Beamer 320i. Me go Sabuma and me notice say the Governor General and his friend them start praying me. And me go and roll out and drive it the first time dog. One time I look, like Governor General and Joe Biden and Donald Trump that me see. Now one corner pray me dog. Until they say Vladimir Putin a plot against him. True me go and buy a new chain dog. One time look, me see boy Elon Musk a pray me certain way dog. Everybody a pray him. And nobody no see him. Irish Saxon think everybody a pray him. And nobody no see him. The way Jamaicans bossy, nobody can tell we say the whole world now fight against we. Has to be studied. Delusions. Delusions of grandeur. If we don't actually want to talk about fight against me, could I tell them about that? People actually fight against me. But me not have to tell them that when they can't see it for themselves. It's normal for people make much videos about DJ and then people level. Much video on the see boy look at YouTuber now. When you see all quote unquote big artists have time for look at YouTubers, when you see that. 87 said this, Manu said that, mediocre washed up immigrant Billy Joe police boy said this and that and this. Me can't tell them about fight against. But instead, me say Vulture Squad stay circling. And it wouldn't be delusion. Something goes on. But enough people are talking about fight against and I say, yo, them boy are premium, you're gonna do him things dog. The person who I talk about don't even know say him exist. Delusion. You can dip on a corner here, Iron Man, and say, yo, where the boy I drive past and car and see boy look up on me like him and say, yo, he may lick me in my face. I say, boy, I look on my dog. Then time the man I look on the house back at him and I say, boy, I like how the window look in the house. People that drive past and look on the house and I said the house that style look bad on the house. But the Irish Saxon they below the house, turn up on the roadside, say boy I pray me in a dog. Boy I pray me to him ears right now, me think mother road. So it's like him a pray me if you do me something, so watch him, I gotta do him sitting first. Irish Saxon thing tell him are the biggest, and this is why you notice I'm using for my favorite DJ them. As your favorite DJ get a one bust, him thinks him bigger than Madonna. Him thinks him bigger than Michael Jackson, bigger than Bob Marley. So if you ever dare can't quote 5 of him song them, I diss you or diss him. Because you actually know my song them, but you diss me. And then they want to own him, say I feel like Google. They are like Google and I spell the name wrong. One hit song, every man up on the corner. Dog, you're the biggest artist in the world. Album dropped 3 units sold first week. 3 units. 15 people stream it. So them tell us that Spotify a fight against him. And iTunes a fight against him because man one buy it on iTunes, but iTunes are block it. iTunes don't make the money. 2 iTunes bad mind him. They must stop man from buy him music. Delusion kill people constantly. Enough war start over Delusion. Irish Saxon to woman walk on the road and the woman just pleasant like that. The woman say, oh good evening. Him deluded. So they might tell himself, say, yo, the girl see me dog and it's like, the whole of her nigga is wet up dog, you want to show she a smile like one dog. So now I see her next day and I say, yo, forward on me yard and she talk about no, dog, I must lick her in her face dog, cause this shit this because she knows she want me dog. So man say she knows she want me, she knows she a mad over me dog, I'm to her. The woman probably think you're a gremlin, but she does pleasant until the evening, guy. But he's deluded. He's the hottest man alive. Who wouldn't want him? The same way he can't wrap him head around the fox, say. Somebody can see him in a 320i and don't care. It's the same way he cannot wrap him head around the fox, say a woman can see him and don't want her eagle eye dissected. He can't get him head around that because he's deluded. How much time you want people? Think about it as an Ironmanian. How much time you want people? A beef, and you don't even know where the beef come from. People delude themselves into a whole scenario of making on them war. It has to be studied. This won't be a long video, but I know someone can relate to me and say, Delusion. The Ironmanians is powerful. And if I want to help, gas up on a deluded friend them. Yeah dog, right now you're the biggest thing in the world dog, and I told him a fight. You see me I say dog? Never done anything worth talking about in life. But you can't tell him that. I'm giving you one more scenario why deluded people get dangerous. You see Delusion? He may have watch TV and hear Sylvester Stallone say, no, say a certain big movie star frowns your knee if you go beard. And him there on a March Pen Road, never star in one show it and tell himself, say, no, say me boy, Sylvester Stallone talk. He him talk about one big movie star and me ma talk, you know. So it's because of me ma talk, anyone buck him. Just say something vague and then make it apply to them, you know. Just say anything vague. The way people deluded then come and tell us, say, yo, me here say, boy, Elon Musk sitting in our corner and talk about him a check for one top man at Jamaica. Me I say, dog, you know, sir, me man I talk about. And me man I talk about in the dog. Me I say, yo, you see all them boy there, yo, what you don't even know, my youth. You don't even know. Anyway, me hold him. Cause him tell himself, so I must him. Top man, Jamaican I must me that. You hear someone attack and the woman them say, ooh, he's so fine. Him can't get my body anytime. Him hear that and think say no, him licensed for go turn rapeable. Because you hear someone attack and I say, one man so fine he can get anybody anytime. So that means anyway me see them, he can't hold them down cause must me them attack. Deluded! The truth is, enough man ever start accept that you're just not that guy. Never have been, never will be. But every man a top man all of a sudden. Every man a top man, every man just add on boss to them name. And when there's somebody a link man, I say, boy look YouTube, everybody a boss now. If I want to get shot, he turn shot boss. Where's the donkey when they need him? Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.